In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Salesforce account. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the login process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open a web browser of your choice. Most modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will work perfectly, so use whatever you prefer or are most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar and type in login salesforce.com. This is the general login page for Salesforce, where the journey into your account begins. Now, there are certain scenarios where your organization might be using a custom domain. This is common when a company tailors Salesforce to fit its specific needs and structure. If that's the case for you, there will be an option on the login page that says Use Custom Domain. Clicking on this option will prompt you to enter your company's specific domain. This might be a unique URL configured by your IT department or administrator to give your organization a personalized Salesforce experience, so make sure to double-check with them if you're unsure. Once you've navigated to the correct login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Typically, your username will be your email address, but some organizations might have specific formats or aliases, so just use whatever format your company uses. Next, you'll enter your password. It goes without saying, but make sure your password is correct. It's easy to mix up characters or capitalize the wrong letter, and doing so will prevent you from logging in. Consider using a password manager if you struggle with remembering this data. At times, your organization might utilize additional security measures like single sign-on, often abbreviated as SSO, or two-factor authentication, commonly referred to as 2FA. If your account or company policy requires it, you'll be prompted to follow these extra verification steps. SSO may simply require you to click through, while 2FA might involve entering a code sent to your mobile device or email, so make sure you're prepared for that. Once you've successfully entered all required information, you should land on the Salesforce homepage. Depending on your organization, you'll either see the Lightning experience, which is Salesforce's updated and modern look, or the classic interface. Both provide you with access to the powerful tools Salesforce offers, but if you've got any specific tasks or objectives in mind, familiarize yourself with whichever interface your company has set as default. And that's it. You're now logged into your Salesforce account and ready to dive into your work tasks. Remember, the key to a smooth login experience is to ensure you have your credentials ready and are aware of any additional security requirements your organization might have put in place. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.